Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at Etrailer.com, and we're going to be taking a look at the Xtreme Series LED lights. These are going to be the 9004 style bulbs. So these are going to be a direct replacement for your existing bulbs in your vehicle and give you a really bright light. These can be used as a high beam light or also for off-road use. They're not really meant for city use or highway usage because they are just so bright. So you definitely want to use these for more rural conditions, or if you're going to be off-roading with your vehicle, or again as a high beam option. There are a few features of these that make them really nice and should make them last for a long time, so we can take a closer look at those and see how they're going to work. You're going to get two bulbs, of course, one for either side. And this does have a built-in fan at the back, so it has a built-in turbo cool system, and that's going to keep everything from getting overheated. There are also these aluminum fins going around that's also going to dissipate the heat. It's made of aluminum all the way around, so aluminum is known for being a really good conductor of heat and allowing it to dissipate out. This is going to be a power supply, so it's going to keep everything rolling smoothly for that little fan in there and your light as well. Again, this is the 9004 style bulb. To be sure that this is a fit for your vehicle, it's best to use our fit guide here at etrailer.com. If you haven't already done so, put in your year, make, and model, and then go from there. I'm going to hook these up to power and ground so you can see what they look like when they're turned on. They are going to be very, very bright, so shield your eyes. Now, whenever you install these, of course, you won't have to be using alligator clamps. That's just how my setup is today because I don't have a vehicle to plug them into. But turning them on, nice bright light. You can kind of hear that fan as it's kicked on there. So as soon as they turn on, they're going to also activate that fan to keep them nice and cool. And as I said, very, very bright light. Even with all my studio lights out, this is really lighting up the room. So it does have precision optics to help throw that light very far down the road, so it helps you to see further than your typical factory lights. It's also a cool white. The light is going to be a better color temperature for your eyes to see what's going on around them, or your eyes to kind of pick up the details of what's going on, so it gives you a really clear, visible light as you're driving at night, even in that real country dark. It is just a plug-and-play application. Some vehicles may require a anti-flicker wiring harness. If your vehicle is one of those, if it has the CAN bus or PWM equipped vehicle, the wiring that you'll need is there on the screen. So you can either get that harness separately, or you can get the bulbs and the harness together as a kit. It's kind of up to you. Sometimes the kit can be a little bit less expensive, so that's an option for you, but it's going to be the same things that come in both sets, just kind of how you want to pick it up. If you're not sure if you need it, you can just get the bulbs, and then if it turns out that you do, you can always pick up that harness later. Basically what it does is it just prevents, as the name suggests, any flickering of that light from the signal being a little too weak or not being able to be computed by the lights by themselves. Also with these bulbs, we get the instructions, a fun sticker, which is always something I like to see. I'm a sucker for stickers. As far as the specs for these lights, the raw lumen output is 5,000 lumens. For the actual effective lumen output, it's 4,565 lumens. After about 30 minutes, that drops down to 4,033 lumens, or just around 4,000 lumens. So what's the difference with all those numbers? The raw lumen output is really like in a perfect world with no interference. This has the potential of being up to this amount of lumens. So it's kind of the perfect potential of the lights. But the effective lumen output and then also the stable lumen output, those are more the numbers to go by, and it's about 4,500 lumens. So very, very, very bright lights. These are definitely going to light up the night for you, so you can be able to see what's going on. Again, the color temperature is going to be 6,500 Kelvin, so that gives us that nice, cool, white light. Really easy to see what's going on. The wattage per bulb is 43 watts. The operating or the power draw at 13 volts is 3 amps per bulb, and then the operating voltage is between 9 volts and 16 volts DC. They are covered by a 2-year limited warranty, and they are IP65 rated, so that means that they're impervious to dust, and they should also be weatherproof as well. All in all, I think these are going to be a great addition to your vehicle. Definitely give you a very bright light, something that's going to be really nice for those rural conditions or going off-road, or again, using them as your high beams. But I hope this video has been helpful. Again, I'm Ellen here at Etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.